Hey guys, it's the CubeMeister here with the next step of the solving the 4x4. So now you should have your centres all the way around. You should have the little edges on the bottoms and on the tops. And we're just going to learn how to do these middle ones. Now the way that I do it, I don't know if this is the way that lots of people do it or it's supposed to be the easiest way, but I kind of look at it as I break it up. So I move it out of the way along this kind of axis here. And I want it to be in a situation where all of these pieces are in place, that when I turn it back, they are all solved. And the way I do that is I try and get one of them solved. So if I move this one across, I know that what my move is going to be is when I move it back, this green red piece here is going to move back along here, and I want it to pair up this green red piece, which means I need to switch it round. So I'm just going to shove this piece up to the top, so up, out the way, back down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert it so that the green red piece ends up on top. So instead of it being inserted from this direction, I'm going to insert it from this direction. So I want the green red piece to be here, so I'm going to move it up, back down and in. And what that's done is it means that when I turn this back, my two green red pieces are paired up, and that's what I'm looking for. And it hasn't messed anything up because I've put a piece in and I took it back out again. So if I break it up again now, so I always sort of start with those two, and this is the hardest bit of the whole solving a 4x4, so please bear with it. Now if I break it up again, I know that bringing this back here is going to bring my green red into place, and what happens also is it's going to bring my yellow orange. Now if I'm going to try and solve this, it's going to bring the yellow orange over here, so I want the other yellow orange piece to be up here, so when I bring it back the other yellow orange piece is in place. But however, the other yellow orange piece is in with the other green red piece, which means I can't mess it up yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back into place, and I'm going to do a little bit of a move where I get this out of the ways. So I'm going to bring both of these pieces to the top, switch them round so they swap positions, and bring them back down again. And all that's done is it's switched that piece over there and that piece over there. And that means that when I break it up, this green red piece, which I don't want to disturb, that isn't paired up with the orange yellow, which I do want to disturb. So now I know that when I bring it back, when I break it up, my green red is going to come back into place, and this orange yellow is going to come here. So when what I want is I want this orange yellow. Where has it gone? Where's my orange yellow gone? I've broken it up. Oh good, yeah. So, yeah, when I bring it back, this orange yellow is going to come here. So I want this orange yellow to be up here. So I'll do the same thing. So I bring it up, out the way, down, up, back down. So I'm rushing a bit now because it's raining out here. So when I bring those two back, I've got those two paired up, those two paired up. These ones aren't, but that's fine. All that means is I need to move them together so that the two pieces that I need to, so I need the green yellow and the blue yellow to be swapped places. So I bring them together, and I'm just going to swap these round, up, out the way, down, and then put it in the other side. And when I close it again, all of these three pieces are going to be sorted, and that's how I kind of do that. And that's the hardest bit of the whole thing, and I urge you just to have a little play around with it, using the whole bringing it up and inserting it the other way round, and also the whole bringing two of them up, switching places, and then bringing them both back down again. That kind of using those and like breaking it up, fixing it again, put it in place. And now this is like a 3x3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a noisy boat going past. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at him, little fisherman.